and welcome to my wee video on why we should save the Amazon rainforest. So this is what we would imagine the rainforest looking like, right? Well, it is actually a landfill, most of it anyway, or it is being currently taken down by the guys in Orange Hill just to make pizza. So why should we care? Well, I have come up with a few ideas to why we should save the Amazon rainforest.
Groups of the mosquito, capo, etc. are being forced out of their homes because we, the sophisticated folk, say they don't have a deed to the land, even though they've lived there for thousands of years. A wise man once said, "The earth is our historian, educator, the provider of food, medicine, clothing, and protection. She is the mother of all races." They are only 0.25% of our population, but they are still people. You know this guy? He's the familiar three-toed sloth. On his fur grows P. microspora, which is the friendly fungi that eats polythurid, which is commonly used in plastic. There's also the fur-de-lance snake that produces a chemical in its venom that scientists use in the drug captopril that saves people from hypertension. It isn't only animals that prove to be helpful. There's a tree known as the cinchona, which produces a remarkable bark that has the ability to fight malaria. We also know the lapicho tree that makes bioactive components that reduce tumors and cures leukemia. Now we are producing CO2, which makes climate change. Every year the Amazon absorbs 2 billion tons of CO2, aka carbon dioxide. And in the river's mighty riverbanks, it holds 20% of the Earth's fresh water. Now, some people might think that it would take a lot of money and it would take years to restore this mighty rainforest. That is partially true. It would take $957 billion to $3.5 trillion. And for the rainforest to restore itself, it would take 65 years to 4,000 years. But the world's economy holds about $37 trillion, and the average person has about 5 hours of free time that could be used to save the forest. So, you do the math. So those are 3 brilliant main ideas for why we should save the Amazon rainforest, backed up with reasons. Thank you for watching my video, and thank you, Miss Bean, for helping me with my persuasive essay, and thank you for WeVideo for holding such great resources.